So what we wanted to do is give you a little bit of a challenge that's going to help you to actually get to grips with both Adobe Connect and Microsoft Teams. So consider the next half an hour as a chance for you to kind of play around with the different platforms that we're going to be using all the way through the CALRG conference. So with that in mind, what I've done for this session is design a scavenger hunt, which you can access from bit.ly/CALRG hunt. It's got a number of tasks that it'll ask you to do within the Adobe Connect environment, and then on the second page there's a number of tasks it's going to ask you to do within the Teams environment. Mark C's just posted a warning about the team space. If you are within the OU, then you'll be able to join the team space. It's publicly available to everyone else. Otherwise, Mark C will have to actually add you manually, and it might take a couple of hours for that to actually sync before you've got access. If you registered for the event or an Eventbrite beforehand, then you'll already be a member. So that's basically going to be the format of this online scavenger hunt. If everybody goes to bit.ly/CALRG hunt, it's very much a list of things that you can work through yourself. I'll post, yeah, Joe, no problem. I'll post it in the chat pane. I will be here, and possibly some other CALRG members. Oh, I like the fact Selena's already found the different chat color. But I'll be here throughout the session. If anybody has any problems and wants to ask them for hints, and as you're all about to go off to different places, I will, or eventually to the teams at least. I also want to just put in a plug for Selena Griffin's talk at 11:30. We just heard about some fascinating AI from Vanessa, and very much the first couple of sessions after mine is going to be continuing that theme. Selena is actually going to be doing a demonstration of some of the things that the Open University is doing with Alexa to help its students. So please come back for that. I think intelligent assistant is the word I've heard Agnes use to talk about that. But yeah, please, let me just post this in the chat. I'm sure you can hear me typing right now, so apologies for that. There you go, that's the actual correct link. Please just spend the next half an hour to work through this, have a play around with Adobe Connect, and have a play around with Teams. If anybody has any questions, as I said, I'll be here. Please feel free to ask them directly to me, or type them in the chat, whatever way is most comfortable for you. And if you can submit it at the end, that will just give us an idea of how many people actually took part in this.
That's great, Vicky. We'll look forward to trying that. Just, I forgot one of my housekeeping notices. We are going to record the rest of the sessions today and tomorrow. So starting from the end of Vanessa's talk, there will be recordings available just so that you're aware of that. None of the other presenters have had any issue with that. So I've put it in the chat, but just in case people don't notice. We do realise that people will have to drop in and out. So I'm going to go and have a cup of tea now and try Vicky's activity.